Two local businesses, same town, same service, same 5,000 a month ad budget, same platform. Last month, one of them booked 22 jobs off those ads. The other one booked one. Same money in, one job versus 22 jobs out. And here is what should make you angry. It had almost nothing to do with the platform or the targeting or some secret audience the winner unlocked. It came down to five ingredients. The winning campaign had all five. The losing one was missing three. And most local ads I look at, run by owners and agencies both, are missing the exact same ones. And the single most important ingredient of the five is not even inside Facebook or Google. It is the one almost everybody forgets, and it is quietly deciding who wins. Stay with me because I am going to show you exactly what it is. So, here are the five things every profitable ad campaign has, whether it is Google or Meta, in order of what to fix first. Get these right, and the platform barely matters. Let's get into it. This is for any local owner who has run ads and quietly wondered if they are getting played. You put in real money, you get back a report full of impressions and clicks and reach, and you still cannot answer the only question that actually matters. Did this make me money? If that is you, you are not bad at ads. You were just never shown what a good one is even made of. And here is the expensive part. A badly built campaign does not fail loudly. It does not crash. It does not warn you. It just quietly spends your budget, sends you a handful of junk leads, and slowly convinces you that ads do not work for your business. Ads work, bad campaigns do not. So let's make sure yours is built right, one ingredient at a time. Five ingredients. Same five, whether you are spending on Google or on Meta. We go in the order you should actually fix them. Ingredient one, the offer. And inside the account, this one decides more than your targeting, your budget, and your fancy creative combined. The offer is the actual thing you put in front of people, not "we do plumbing." That is a category, not an offer. An offer is a specific, valuable, easy yes. $49 drain cleaning, same day, or it is free. A free in home estimate this week, no pressure. Most local ads die right here. They run a logo, a phone number, and the words quality service, and then blame the algorithm when nobody calls. Nobody is ignoring your ad because of Facebook. They are ignoring it because you never gave them a reason to stop scrolling. A strong offer with weak everything else still beats a beautiful ad with no offer. Start here. Ingredient two, the audience who actually sees the ad. Now, this used to be the whole game, stacking up interests and slicing the targeting thinner and thinner. Today, on both platforms, that has flipped. The algorithms are good enough now that if you hand them a clear goal and a strong offer, they will go find the buyers for you. On Meta, you let the broad advantage audiences do the heavy lifting. On Google, you let intent do it. You simply show up the moment someone types emergency plumber near me. The mistake today is over targeting, slicing the audience so thin the algorithm cannot do its job. So for most local businesses, audience is simpler than you have been told. Right service area, right intent, then get out of the way. Which means the lever you thought mattered most actually matters less. The offer is still carrying the campaign. Ingredient three, the message, the actual creative on Meta. This is the thumb stopper, the first second of the video or the image that makes someone pause. On Google, it is the headline that matches exactly what they just searched. The rule is the same on both platforms. Speak to the problem in the customer's own words and show, do not just claim. A real photo of your real crew on a real job beats a stock photo every single time. A 15-second clip of the actual work beats a slick logo animation. People do not trust polished, they trust real. Your creative does not need to win an award. It needs to look like a real local business solving the exact problem they have right now. Ingredient 4, the conversion path. This is where most of the money quietly dies. You can have a great offer, the right audience, and a scroll stopping ad, and then you send that hard one click to your homepage, or a slow page, or a form nobody fills out. Every campaign needs a dedicated place for the click to land that does exactly one job: get them to call or book. One offer, one button, click to call, loads fast on a phone. And the other half of this, the part nobody wants to deal with, is tracking. If you are not tracking which clicks become calls and which calls become booked jobs, you are flying completely blind. You cannot improve what you cannot measure, and you cannot tell a good agency from one that is robbing you. So before you spend another dollar, make sure you can actually see what that dollar did. Ingredient 5, and this is the one I promised you, the most important ingredient of all, and it is not even inside Facebook or Google: follow up. The speed of your follow up specifically. Here is what actually happens to most ad leads: the ad works. Somebody fills out your form at 2 in the afternoon while you are up on a roof or under a sink. You see it at 6. You call at 7, and they already booked the competitor who called them back in 5 minutes. You did not have an ad problem. You had a follow up problem, and you blamed the ad. The numbers on this are brutal. Responding in the first 5 minutes instead of 30 makes you many times more likely to actually win that job. So every dollar you spent to get the lead is wasted if nothing catches it fast. Remember the winner from the start of this video, the 22 jobs business. They were not better at Facebook. They answered every single lead within minutes, every time, usually with an automatic text that fired the second the form came in. That is the gap. That, more than anything else in the account, is the whole gap. So there it is. 5 ingredients: offer, audience, message, conversion path, follow up. Now, run the check on your own ads right now. In your head, do you have a real offer or just your logo? And call today. Are you over targeting and choking the algorithm? Does your creative look real, or does it look like a brochure? Where does the click actually land? And are you tracking it to a booked job? And when a lead comes in, how fast does someone really respond? Every place you just said, "I do not know," or "not great," that is not a failure. That is your next dollar. And the order to fix them is top to bottom: offer first, follow up always. Here is what I want you to hold on to: ads are not magic, and they are not a scam. They are a system with 5 parts, and the businesses quietly winning in your town are almost never spending more than you. They just built all 5 ingredients instead of 2. A good campaign is not a bigger budget, it is a complete one. Fix the missing pieces in order, and the exact same budget you are spending right now starts sending you book jobs instead of excuses. If you want, we will look at your actual numbers for you. Send us your ad account or even just your last report, and we will run you a free teardown. We will show you which of the 5 ingredients you already have, which ones you are missing, and your real cost per booked job, not per click, per job. No pitch, just the breakdown. The link is in the description. And if this helped, subscribe, because we break down the stuff that actually moves the needle for local businesses every week, the same way we run it for real clients. I will see you in the next one.